Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and we are back working on the BMW 130i today, and I'm actually going to be replacing the number plates. So I've been in contact with a company called Plate Kings, and they have kindly sent me out a set of their number plates to install. This is what they look like. As you can see, they are actually raised up off the number plate. This is their 4D gel plates. These look, you know, top notch. Yeah, very high quality, and they are actually GB plates as well, so it means that I can now drive this car into Europe if we want to do a cheeky little trip to the Nürburgring or something. But yeah, I think we'll get outside and we'll go ahead and get these installed onto the car. Shouldn't really take long. It's just a case of using the little sticky pads, these double-sided sticky pads, and yeah, pretty excited now. Let's get them installed. Okay then, so this is what the original number plates look like. As you can see, fairly boring, you know, nothing really going on here. They're just standard flat plates, and they are pretty faded as well. And they don't actually have the Euro logo on, so if I wanted to drive into Europe, I would need an additional badge on the rear of my car. And they're actually encased in these horrible cheap number plate surrounds as well, you know, not very exciting. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the rear as well, and a similar story going on back here. Again, you know, standard plates, nothing really too exciting, to be honest. This number plate surround is a little bit better. I do have one similar on my E60. In my opinion, this one looks a lot better though. It's shiny, and this one's very dull and old now. So yeah, I think we'll whip all this off and then see how we're looking. Okay, so I'm not actually sure how these original number plate surrounds come off. I'm just going to try and prise them open by sticking a screwdriver in. There we go. Looks to be held in by a few clips. I think this lifts up now. Do the same on the other side. This lift up. Oh, there we go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same on the bottom. This needs to be unclipped. Now there we go. And then the plate comes out. There we go. Nasty cheap thing. And the number plate surround itself is just held in by only two Phillips screws, so this thing can actually move around quite a bit. But yeah, I think we'll get them Phillips screws out and then get this thing off. There we go, there's both of them removed. Yep, can't beat it when someone drills a hole straight through the bumper. Okay then, so that's the two Phillips screws removed. And yeah, I think this will go in the bin. Okay then, so I think we'll just do a little test fit. What do we reckon? I think that looks quite smart. Yeah, I like that. I think what we'll do is we'll give this whole area a good thorough clean down, because obviously we ain't going to be able to stick to this dirt, so I need to give this whole area a good clean, and then we'll I think we'll go ahead and stick this on. I was debating whether or not to use a number plate surround, because I actually have another set, but I think that'll actually look cleaner just like that. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Let's get all this cleaned up anyway. And I'm actually just using degreaser because I don't actually want any wax or anything on here. That's just going to prevent us from sticking the pads down. So a degreaser will just strip any wax that may or may not be on here. Okay, so now that the bumper is nice and clean and dry, I've actually went ahead and stuck the double-sided strips to the back of the number plate. Now all I need to do is position this, peel these off, and then fire away. Okay then, so here is the front done. Looks pretty central, pretty straight to me. Now we need to go ahead and move on to the rear. Okay, so when it comes to the rear number plate surround, then this one just lifts off. Yeah, it's just held in by a bunch of clips. Don't know if it comes off at the top, but I should be able to get the plate out now. There we go. Again, just 2 fillet screws. Actually, I think before we remove this one, I'm just going to see what it looks like with the new plate in this surround. What do we think? Do we think it looks better in the number plate surround or without the number plate surround? I think I'm going to remove it and then see what it looks like without it, and then I'll make up my mind. Okay, so this would be without. Does it maybe look a little bit too lost without a number plate surround on the rear? And then I'm going to give this area a good clean up, try it again, and then we'll make up our mind. Okay, so I've decided that it actually looks better with the number plate surround for now anyway. You know, obviously looks a lot better than the original plate. I can, of course, you know, if I want to change my mind, I can, of course, you know, take this off and then just use the sticky pads. But I think because the rear plate is in this kind of recess in the rear diffuser, I think it looks a little bit better with the number plate surround. It makes it stand out a little bit more. I don't know, let me know what you think anyway. Obviously I can, you know, change my mind at any time, but yeah, I think it looks a lot better anyway. Okay then, so now that we are all done, this is how we're looking. That's the front, and this is the rear. Okay then guys, that's another job done on this BMW 130i. In my opinion, I think the new plates look so much better than the old nasty faded ones. I think having fresh new plates kind of makes the whole car look a lot newer as well. Now of course, if you are interested and you do want to check out Plate Kings, I will leave all of their information down in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!